We're back, and it's time to send it back over to the Heavenly Cabin and check in with Dave. Dave, I've got to ask you, we're looking at these live camera shots this morning, and the view, like usual, is absolutely beautiful. Does it ever get old? You are there every day.
You know, Kristen, it does not get old. It's just absolutely spectacular. And I try to make a point every day that I'm out there just to look around and soak it in a little bit. Otherwise, why even be here? Because it's just gorgeous. I mean, look at this view this morning. Absolutely spectacular. Clouds are moving in. A little bit of blue sky still this morning. Keep in mind, with the storm system starting to roll in today, winds can pick up, and that can affect our operations at any time. Right now, everything is looking good for our 9 o'clock start, but just be prepared for changing conditions. Already up on the mountain for us this morning, our mountain host today is Ashley Smith. Ashley, good morning. You're in the sunshine right now, so it's looking pretty good up there.
Exactly, yeah. The sun popped up over the top of the mountain, so the sun is here. There are still some clouds, and as the storm comes in later today, the clouds will stay for probably the day. Temperatures are about 25 degrees, but the wind has picked up just a little bit. It's light with moderate gusts, so just wear a couple layers and you should be good up here.
Yeah, and the mountain is in fantastic condition. Yesterday was so much fun with the groomed terrain and a few inches of snow on top, and we actually checked in with our director of snow surfaces this morning, Jim Larmore, and he said the mountain groomed up really nice last night. So have you seen the groomers in action this morning?
I watched them finish up on Mambo over here on the California side, and then Patsy's, and it looks like they're back at their home base now to the left of me. So they're back there, but there's miles of groomed trails out there. I think about 57, and the corduroy is just great. So you want to enjoy that fresh corduroy, that seamless corduroy at 9 a.m. when the lift's open, and it's just miles, and we have 4,500 acres open, top to bottom on both sides right now.
Nice. And one of the groomed runs that I always recommend is right above where you are, Ridge Run. If we have a signature run at Heavenly, this is probably it, and it's a nice, solid intermediate run.
Exactly, yeah, and it's pretty long too, so you can enjoy it for a while. You can access it by Sky Express and Canyon Express over here on the Cal side, and it has the most spectacular views that you could find of the lake. So this is a great one over here on the California side. If you're over here, you definitely have to check this one out, and it's pretty wide, so you can make some big S-turns.
Nice. So Ridge Run, Upper California side, definitely check that one out today. Now let's go ahead and bring you up to date with the conditions that you'll find at Heavenly so you know how to prepare. And again, storm moving in, so things can change throughout the day. But this morning, 16 degrees at the top of Sky Chair, 24 at the Gondola. Skies are partly cloudy at this point, winds light with some moderate gusts, as Ashley mentioned. Mountain conditions are fantastic. Snow base 48 to 85 inches, 25 lifts scheduled for 9 o'clock, getting you to 88 trails, 57 of those groomed last night and this morning, so you will be skiing and riding on machine groomed packed powder snow surfaces at least until the storm starts dumping the snow. Some of the grooming highlights on your screen right now, and again, groomers have recommended High Five and Jax as their picks of the day. And it's always a good idea if people are looking to improve their skills, no matter what your level is, to take a lesson. We've got some great ski school programs here at Heavenly.
Exactly, and that's the great thing about ski school is that you could be any level, from beginner to intermediate or advanced. You can always step it up a little bit, and today we have lessons out of the Gondola and here at the California Base Lodge. And you can also take anything from tree skiing to corduroy skiing, powder, and even the terrain park. So lessons are for anyone and for everyone. So check it out at California Lodge or the Gondola.
Nice. And if people want to get more information, and it's a good day to stay up to date with the latest happening here at Heavenly, all you have to do is give us a call at 775-586-7000. Go to skiheavenly.com or check us out on Facebook and Twitter. We'll have tubing today, a couple of terrain parks, and again, Boulder Lodge, Lift, and North Bowl Chair are closed, so access to the Mountain Stagecoach, Gondola, and the California Base Lodge. Thanks for the update, Ashley.
See you in a little bit.
All right, sounds good. That's your Heavenly update. Stay tuned. There's more Tahoe today right after this.